I'm not sure how hard it would be for you to imagine. For me, saying hi now is very hard. So I hope you're having fun right now. And yeah, let's start in a few seconds. So on daily basis, we are using speech protocol. We are sending 140 words per minute. We have multiple languages. We add information with volume, gesture, facial expressions. We encode additional information with irony or sarcasm. And we have also quite elaborative handshake mechanism. When we see someone, we speak. When that person turns their back on us, we stop. In case of errors, we repeat. Almost like a lady at train station counter that thinks that by speaking louder, we could understand Spanish. And on daily work, what we do when we cannot see the person, we text them. And of course, what we do, we use the least resistant approach, and we switch to something that is easiest for us. And of course, we assume that the other side is eagerly waiting for us to request our response. And what we're doing after waiting 10 seconds, we just give up and switch to something else. So take this example. Bobby sends me a text, but I'm in the meeting, right? In 20 minutes, I'm trying to get back to him to clarify what he meant. Bad luck. He went out for a coffee. So by the time I know what to do, he already went offline. Imagine that one situation with the boss. So Pawel, call me right now. It's important. So already I have few scenarios in my mind. Am I being fired? Should I cancel my vacation? No, groundbreaking rules. And in this case, it doesn't really matter for us if we send the message right in that particular moment or in few minutes. But for our recipients, the context really matters. And we apply general rules of normal conversation to our messaging, right? We assume that the other side is waiting for us and have a full focus. And we try to emulate normal conversation within short messages. With emails, I mean, no one would ever send an email and write only hi in it, right? So in this case, we try to showcase a problem or a solution within the email. With chat messages, we try to have a bit more dynamics. For example, when we don't know how to formulate the problem or how to even ask for it, then it's relatively easier with short messages where we could align on the go. With group chats, it's even more chaotic. We just complete with other people and we try to basically write down the first message. And usually we type 40 to 70 words per minute, and that makes even more chaotic. So how to fix it? Cut on the pleasantries and basically So when you cut on the pleasantries and focus on the context, it's way more beneficial. And in this case, yeah. So what we can get from it, basically, even if the person is not able to help you, they will try to point you in the right direction. And that's the time saved for both parties. Even if the answer is easy for them, it's even better, because then they will try to help you, because helping feels good. And also with those values, basically, give what you would like to get. And in this case, yeah, another part is no context switching and also helping others. Combining that together is almost impossible. So if you have more detailed messages, it's way clearer and way easier for you to structure them one by one and go back to your task. With exceptions, of course, if you have production incident, no one will basically bother. You have also other means, but context is also as important. Entering a production call and then seeing all the headless chicken running around is pointless. Of course, we have lunch, and that's an exception one of all. But please don't be fooled. It's a exception from the rule. Yeah. So guys, please remember, never just say hi. Give a bit more context and say what you want. Be consistent and let others know what you're doing. Thanks all.